This mama is so amazing. She's still lactating. You could see she's a little skinny. Twins are feeding off of her regularly. And there's a third one that's also hanging out. There they are. The two spotted ones. It's just too cute. What a joy. Each morning they come right here at my window. They love that cobbed corn. I have to go get some more today. She's such a good mama. I love how the deer run in the backyard, darting across the open field. Well, their coats haven't changed yet. They should shortly. Mama should be starting to wean them here. It's early morning, just before 10. Well, not that early, but they'll come back later in the day again. What a privilege.